Good job. Pro modified. Look out, guys. This is going to be a fast one at the green. Good job. Nice run here so far. Nice and clean. Come down the left arm. Zombie. Clean run. Green. Off we go. The zombie truck over the cars. Oh, we got a truck. We're going to try to trim some of the grass out of our finished beans here real quick. And we'll give Doug a rerun in the right lane.